You look like a disc jockey over there. Yeah. Yeah, look at one hand. That's amazing. You're doing very, very well. She's been moving herself around a lot from her little table. Right there she goes, up to the brails. And she'll kind of move around the playpen a little bit, and then she'll come back to the table. She likes to keep the music going to entertain her, though. I find quite comical. Huh? Yeah? Yeah. Lorelai, can you say hello? Can you say hi? Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi, beautiful girl. Hello. Look at that big old grin. Look at that grin. You're doing so well. Okay, we say goodbye.